All right, so I'm going to show you how a Kuhapdo uniform goes on. Here we go. First thing, grab your top. Put the top on like you would normally put on any dobok top. Tie it off. Like so. Once the top's on, then you go for the belt. The belt's going to go on, it's going to wrap around 3 times. What I normally do is I take one end, put it on my side, and then wrap. You want to make sure this is tight, because it's going to help keep your sword from going up and down. So I have it on the side, I'm going to tie it off. And then I take that knot that's on the side and bring it to the back. Next, the bottoms. So, back, front. Take the front and step in. Make sure the top is tucked in. You're going to put the front against your belly and the 2 long tabs like this. You're going to wrap them around, cross them in the back over the knot of the belt. Bring it around the front. Cross them. What I normally do is I take this one, whatever one's on the bottom, and I just fold it over like that to make it a little bit more flat. Once you get back to the back, tie it off. However you want to tie it off. Once you do that, tuck the extra into the pants. Then you're going to have 2 shorter ones on the back tab. You're going to see this little tabby thing here. It gets tucked into everything, into the belt and the wraparound. Okay? Then take these, come back around, come around the front, and tie this off just like a regular, like a belt, how you would take the top one and wrap it around all of them. And then from there, tie a square knot. I usually tie it a little differently. Square knot would be like this, and you'd have both coming out the sides like that. What I normally do is I tie it a square knot wrong. So instead of right over left, left over right, I do it both the same way. So this way, I have one going down and one going to the side. So I'm going to take, since I have one going down the center and one going out to the side, I'm going to take the one going out to the side. I'm going to fold it, fold it, fold it, and then it's going to fold up in front. So it's going to create the bow tie kind of looking thing. Then I'm going to take the one on the bottom, and I'm going to come up over the front and back down everything. And I'm going to continue to do that. Until I can't do it anymore. Now, if you have extra here, what you can do is either try to pull it down so you have enough to come back around. Or if you don't have enough to come back around, fold it and just tuck it. Like so. And you got a nice little bow. Alright? So hopefully that helps. And we'll talk to you later.